Hey guys, good morning! We are now on our day 2 and pupunta tayo sa water park sa Splash Planet sa Hastings. So, si Gianni nasa loob na ng sasakyan. Yan, sinara muna namin yung tent kasi aalis kami. So, see ya! Samahan nyo kami!
What we're gonna be doing there is swimming, some driving rides. I'm looking forward to the Formula 1 go-karts though, because then I can just go driving all I want. Wait, the speed limit is 100 here?
So nice!
God, the
Ang
speed
ganda
limit here
guys,
is
di ba?
100? Yeah. Wait, that's like highway speed.
Parang gusto ko rin dito sa Napier. Parang same as New Plymouth. So we're here na guys.
You have arrived at
Splash
your
Planet.
destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Sign look from
Get
sign
your
look
tickets
similar to the
today.
one we've seen.
Hey guys, so andito na kami sa Splash Planet. Ayan, papasok kami dyan. So, si Gianni, ayan, nagtitingin ng attraction. What are you excited about? Formula? Okay, Formula Fun Kart. Okay, see you guys! Here at Splash Planet. So, bumalik lang ako dun sa ano kasi kumuha ako nitong map para makita namin kung saan kami gusto pumunta. See you guys!
Yeah.
Bumper boat. Ayokong sumakay. Mainit. Enjoy. Gianni, have fun. Have fun. Go, guys. Of course. Of course you can't go together.
I'm gonna bump into him, he's gonna bump into me, and we're just gonna have all at once.
No, because you can't fit in.
Yeah, exactly.
Ayan na guys. Nasa pang-boat na si Gianni at Sito. Kaya nag-enjoy para mga bata. Hindi ako sumama kasi iikot-ikot lang ako, mahihilo lang ako. Yan, enjoy! Guys, ngayon pupunta tayo sa jungle jeep. Katatapos lang namin kumain. So, punta kami ng jungle jeep. Ayan ang train. Bye! Yeah.
You are the 2-year-old baby. There's nobody gonna do.
So guys, nakapila kami ngayon dito sa, what is it? Jungle Jeep. Safari Jeep. Sa Jungle Jeep. Safari Jeep. Yeah. So, maliit lang siya na jeep actually. Tingnan. So, malapit na yung turn namin. Ayan. Dahil gusto ni Gianni, pag kami sasakay.
Oh!
Guys, kami na. Sasakay na kami.
Where do I get a tube?
Ha?
Where do I get a tube?
What?
I think they just find them laying around somewhere.
Who gave you? Hey, Dad daw. Hey, Dad. Is it cold?
Here's the entrance that we came from. Come on.
I'm tired.